Violet Affleck takes the wheel. Ben Affleck and Jen Garner's teenage daughter was pictured prepping for a driving lesson, and her famous mom was there to witness the milestone moment. Violet Affleck won't need dad Ben Affleck or mom Jennifer Garner to chauffeur her around much longer, and that's because she started to learn how to drive. The 15-year-old got behind the wheel with a driving instructor in Brentwood, California on November 28. In paparazzi pics, Violet could be seen chatting it up with the instructor and Jennifer, 49, who was present for the pre-driving lesson meeting. The 13 going on 30 must have been pretty excited for this big moment, considering that soon Violet will be able to drive around all by herself. For the driving lesson, Violet wore a white sweater, blue jeans, a pair of sneakers, glasses, and a pink face mask. The teen held her phone in her hand as she stood beside her famous mother, who wrapped her arms in her hands while conversing with Violet's driving teacher. Jennifer dressed fairly casually in a short-sleeved blue t-shirt that she slightly tucked into her denim jeans. She finished off her look with black sneakers and kept her gorgeous dark hair down. It's unclear how Violet's driving lesson went, but we certainly hope well. It wasn't a surprise that Jennifer was there to support her daughter, considering the actress is such a loving mom to Violet, as well as to her other daughter Serafina, 12, and son Samuel, 9. She welcomed all 3 kids during her marriage to Ben, 49, with whom she's continued to co-parent. The A-list exes were married in 2005 but separated exactly a decade later. Their divorce was finalized in 2018. Related gallery. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Garner's family, pics. Jennifer and Ben most recently reunited on Halloween 2021, when they took their kids trick-or-treating in Malibu, California. Ben's girlfriend Jennifer Lopez was also there, as were her twins Max and Em, 13, whom she shares with ex-husband Mark Anthony. Earlier that day, Jen Garner and Ben were spotted with their kids at Huckleberry Cafe, reported People.